something else extra, and you will blame the teachers. We will blame the teachers. This section, this class, my teachers, she didn't explain this thing, but my teachers, she's explained this thing. So we will get some traditional classes. We will get sometimes we will get blamed. But in e-learning platform, you're going to get the same content. No confused, same content you will get. For 30 members you are enrolled in the classes, the whole 30 students, they are getting the same content from the platform. So this is very useful to you. So the class consistency is very good. And next one be to reduce the cost. If someone in this section, someone, if you have, do you have any idea about start tuition centers? Do you have any idea about to start tuition centers? Others, do you want to start any traditional institutions? Trust me, you need to know that this platform. Without this platform, after this COVID-19, we are not able to serve. Because till now, see, European countries, 190-80 they are starting, 190-80, around more than 30 years back, they have awareness about the e-learning platform. But still now, out the rural areas like us, we don't have that much awareness about this thing. And the management and schools and most of the small scale institutions, they don't have the awareness. Still now they're lacking, they don't know. So where is how to take the meeting? Our luck, the Google Meet is there. Without the Google Meet, just think, lot of schools and colleges, they will trouble, right? So fine, let's the reduced cost is what I'm trying to say. If you want to start any traditional class institution in any area, just you think you want to start one traditional class in Trondheim, or you want to start in a traditional classroom in Chennai. You want to pay the advance for your office room. Just you need to pay the advance for your office room, right? Around bare minimum Nagarkol thing, guys. Trust me, Nagarkol, if you want to take any office, 25 lakhs you need to pay the advance. Really, if you want just Apollo and CSE Computer Education Center is there. For this kind of big institution, if you want to start, you need around 25 lakhs you need to give the advance. And next, per month by month, you need to pay around 25,000 to 30,000 rent. Just think, if you are in traditional institution, you are starting an institution. If the students, they are not able to come to your classes, really think how to pay your salary to your teachers, how you pay your room rent, how you pay your how to give the expenses to facility and faculty in traditional classroom. But same thing, if you are a very good teacher, really you have the passion in teaching. It's not only in teaching. If you have any other extracurricular activities, now if you are in BA English Literature, but you have kitchen work, you are singing, there any other extracurricular activities, you want to teach something over the online. Traditional classroom, you need to pay around 20, bare minimum you need around 30 lakhs. If you want to start any traditional institution in any decent area, you bare minimum you need to invest 30 lakhs. But trust me, in this e-learning platform, within 2 lakhs, within 1 to 2 lakhs, you can manage that 30 lakhs. This 2 lakhs, just maximum around, if you have just little bit technical knowledge, you have just 50,000 to 60,000, you can manage all things. You will get students over the online. You can prepare all things. You will get all free materials. You don't want to buy the fan. You don't want to buy the bench. You don't want to take any room rents. You don't want to pay anything. You don't want to pay any advance. Nothing is there. So in the e-learning platform, this is very useful to you in future if you want to start any traditional classrooms, or now you are in very big organization running, what your management really they want this kind of struggle. When you want to come out from there, you should give the proper training to your teachers and students. It's not a very big deal. It's not a like program and PHP like that. This is very easy things. Without, if you suppose if you know how to use the Facebook, you can manage it online and you can improve your teaching skill. And let's impact on environment. This is a very paperless, 90% less power, right? I already told you, when you go to e-learning platform, you don't need to take any papers. You don't need to take pen, and you don't need to write anything. You don't need to take books and register like this. Nothing is there. Just you can sit friends out of the system and you can take the notepad smartly. You can learn from the system. So paperless, you don't want to cut the tree. We don't need to waste leaflets. So learning is the traditional way means you will pay for the classes, accommodation, meals, activity fees, and books. Online learning comes at the much lower cost since you don't have to pay for things such as paper handouts, classroom space, desk, chairs, on other supplies. So this thing, I think, guys, you understand. And next, we are going to talk about effectiveness. Already told you things. No, effectiveness, high level pass mark, mastery level. You will not get tensed. Main thing. Traditional classroom, when you go to after your college and when you go to traditional classroom, you'll get some tense. They will get online exam, this thing, that thing, like that. But in online, the e-learning platform, the online exam is very interesting, and their exam style is very different. So once you finish any online courses, you know that the exam style is very different. So you will get pass easily, and you'll get mastery level, and you'll get certificate very easily from there. And teaching platform, the connecting thing. Already we talk about the connecting thing. This now the connecting is e-learning platform allow teachers to stay connected their students. The main thing now thing, see, was from 97 to 100 people is there in our section, but now I think so your college is also doing the same activity. I believe it. You are doing it because now the current situation, we are not able to go to colleges and schools, but we should know that what the students they are doing to 2 to 3 months without any homework and nothing is there. Really, once they will come back to their college, really their career should go to after 3 to 4 months. First, should not this time, apart from their school and college time, we can able to meet the students. Now, really, if you want to teach something, you want to interact with your students, please you can use the Google Meet, because if you are Zoom, you need to pay something. For 30 minutes only free, but Google Meet, really you can communicate with your students this kind of times. So connecting is that like that. E-learning platform allows teachers to connect their students and parents. If you want the meet the students, parents also, just meet this time of Google meeting. So all schools and colleges, they are doing the same activities, and you should also do that, because nowadays you should do that. And next one, we should talk about the flexibility. This all things when talking about the teachers, to what kind of benefit of e-learning teachers for teachers connecting. The flexibility among benefit of e-learning for teachers, the large variety of different resources such as videos, text, presentation, quizzes, that all thing is there, right, guys? See now most of you know that how to make the PowerPoint presentation, and but you don't know how to make the videos, or how to make the quiz programs. All things we can do that in online. This section, second. Now I will the following class I'm going to talk about that, how to make the free online exam in Google Forms they are giving. So Google Forms website I will show you. I will send to share you guys. So this thing you can create your online exam pattern and send to your students. And you can, if you want to create your own exam pattern in Google Forms, easily you can create yourself freely, and you can send your students. You can take the marks from online, you can do that. So flexibility is available there in e-learning platform. So this all thing now I'm talking about now innovation, the presentation and this quiz programs. This website I will go and share to you guys. Before that, I will finish this one. So next one is innovation. Next one is, we are not going to talk about the innovation, that the use of new technology gives teachers the freedom to experiment their teaching practice and the ability to make changes if something doesn't work. Yes, technology, right? So most of you get some afraid. When you're traditional classes, you are so smart, but when you go to online, sometimes you will get some hesitation. If you have the skill also, sometimes the technical issues, we are not able to give the correct communication with the students, right? Communication with some other subordinates. This now, the e-learning platform, we are giving 24 to 70 hours support. If you get any technical error, the technical error easily you can find out from social media platform. If you get any technical error, you will get from you can find out the error with some other advisors. You can do that. and you'll get technical error. It will come out from the technical error, and practice new ability, new skills you can think. And you can think, suppose if you want to sometime in your college or school subject, this is a very different subject, but you thus in your mind you have some different subject. This subject we can teach the student like this, but sometime in our official things we are not able to provide our teaching to them. But when you go to the e-learning platform, you can create your own class with your own interest. Suppose if you're teaching want to like this, if you want very different things, if you want to share in different methodology, you can create your own videos, you can sell over the online. And passion based learning, online platform allows teacher to support their students outside the classroom also. Already I told you, now it's not only in for official, in personal life. Personal life, most of you guys, some are they are singers. Most of you guys, most of you guys, they are have any other extracurricular activities. Do you want to promote your skill? If you want to promote your teaching skill, you can do that. Otherwise, apart from that official life, apart from the teaching, do you want to promote your skills through the online? You can do that. So this platform is very useful to you. Passion based learning, you can do that. And next one, efficiency. The benefit of e-learning for teachers include the ability to receive the constant feedback from their students about whether they understand the material. If it is interesting to them, online platform provide the large variety of assessment tools. And you will get the feedback from the students, and your online platform already give a lot of assessment tools. That assessment tools I will explain you the coming section. And next one is better communication with the parents. Most of the thing, you will arrange some parents meeting in schools and colleges. If they are not able to come to your schools and colleges, you can fix a parents meeting over the online section also, though that thing is available and saves time. Already told you in the you can save your time and you can save the environment. This all things is very important for benefits of e-learning for the teachers. And next we are going to talk about, it is a very important section, don't ignore it guys. Sometimes most things, Vimeo is a very important platform. Maybe a Vimeo video. What is the difference between YouTube and video? How many of you guys are using Vimeo? Can tell me Vimeo platform? If someone they are using Vimeo, just tell me, sir, I am using Vimeo. No. Did you hear about the Vimeo? It's no. Okay, fine. I am talking about Vimeo now. Vimeo is a very important platform for the e-learning concept, because all of you know YouTube, right? YouTube, all of you know. What YouTube, just you can share your videos, public videos you can share. You will get lot of subscribers you are getting YouTube, and you can earn a lot of money from YouTube. From that is apart from that, YouTube is a public showroom. You can show your video in public. But when you want to sell your videos, you suppose if you go to any website, private membership is there, public membership is there, right? If you go to any website, private membership, they need to pay something. That the paid students. Public membership, they will not pay anything, just they will watch your videos. So if you want to sell your private videos, if you want to show your private videos to only the particular persons, the Vimeo only is a good platform. Nowadays, YouTube, your video is not secured. The video is not secured in YouTube. Anyone they want download, they can download your videos, they can share your videos. But in Vimeo, no one, if you want to secure video, secured like that, no one, they will download your videos. Your video is full and full secured. Now I will show the website link to Vimeo. Please wait. I will show you guys the Vimeo website link. If you get any technical issue, please tell me. I think live section going on YouTube. I think so. Otherwise, if it is not there after the section, if you have any doubts and clarification, you can ask me. Please mute your videos, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please mute your videos. Sorry, please mute your audios. Yeah, now we are seeing the Vimeo platform, right? This is called the Vimeo platform. This platform, see, this is called, it is very easy to join. You can create your new videos here, upload your videos from here, and you will get video player, live streaming, privacy, collaborations, and slow posting, monetization, analysis. This thing, see, most of the things you'll get from YouTube. The both is Vimeo and YouTube is the same platform, but sometimes if you want to secure your video, if they are the sellable videos, if you want to sell the videos, that video, that it should be secure, right? This kind of secured videos you can upload in Vimeo. So because this thing you will get your videos will secure. And see, but you apart from that YouTube, if you want to start any e-learning platform from your management side or school side, the Vimeo platform, they have some basic pricing is there. YouTube video is free. The pricing video around $7 per month it will come. As a teacher, if you want to share something to your this videos, Vimeo videos pricing is around starting from $7 per month, and they can use it. And login and joining form is very easy. And all thing your videos starts here. So how to start your videos? It is very easily to upload the videos in Vimeo platform. Over 150 million creators and brands over there. So this all thing is there, and business and prime also is there in Vimeo. So once you get free, you can go through that in Vimeo platform, and you can use it. Fine. Really, it is very good to see our people. 100 people is there in our classroom section, so it's very is now happy to see you guys. And please share your YouTube videos, and share the YouTube live stream videos, and share the link to your friends also. They will come and join the section. Really, who they are record this, they will come and join the section. Next, we are going to talk about LinkedIn. So Vimeo, I know that Vimeo already told you, it's like it's like YouTube. You can go to one time Vimeo, and you can know that it's easily you can create an account like Gmail, and you can upload your video very easily. And LinkedIn is a very important platform. Most of you must, before that start classes, I asked you some of you guys. I asked some guys which platform you are using. Most you are saying Facebook, sir. Most are saying Instagram. Most of you guys are saying I am using Zoom or thing. But LinkedIn is very important platform in official life. The personal life, Facebook you are using. The personal life, Instagram using. All of we have the official life also, right? But Instagram, LinkedIn is a very important platform in your official life. Without LinkedIn, so future in after 2 or 3 years, now if you have kids, now they are studying at 10th or 12th standard. Now your children, they are studying, after studying they're going to colleges. Suppose if you are a student, now you are studying, LinkedIn is very important platform. Nowadays no one they are going to see Naukri, they are not going to see Indeed.com. They are seeing your eligibility, they are seeing your skills only in LinkedIn. Okay, fine. First, I will in chat room section, I will share the Vimeo link. Okay, next I am going to share the LinkedIn platform. Wait. Guys, don't click the link and go to anywhere else. Sometimes your video will disconnect. So don't do that like that. Now just cut and copy and paste it anywhere else. If you want feature, you can see, you can see. Now don't click the link. Suppose we click the link, it will go to open other pages, and you will left from the classes sometime. Okay, fine. LinkedIn. This is a LinkedIn platform. Now I'm going to share you. Please write. Okay, now you guys are seeing, right? LinkedIn. This is a very important platform. So it is like Facebook. Okay, Facebook. How the Facebook will work? Suppose if you give some friend request to you're giving some friend request to your brother, right? And Facebook show their friends suggest you. Do you know that people? Really, if you know personal life, you know that guy, and you should give the friend request, they will accept you. That's for the Facebook. It will work like that. But LinkedIn platform, it is very different. LinkedIn platform, just if you have the official life, you are working as a HOD in Nanjing College. Some of the HOD in there working as a Chennai, many other universities. You will get connected with both. You'll get. And suppose if you are studying in BA English Literature, if you are studying anything else, and the same 2 or 3 years back, one student, they are completed this section from your same colleges and they are working in US or something like that. So this LinkedIn platform is connect to you. In official life, really connect you. If you want to future teachers already who they are working as a teacher in Chennai or US, they will connect people to you. So please work in, suppose if you don't have LinkedIn platform, you guys, you should use the LinkedIn platform today. Just go and log in. It's like only Facebook. If you have any Gmail ID, no problem. Just open your in LinkedIn platform, and once you go enter in LinkedIn, most of the guys already, more to around 30 to 40% of your friends already they are in LinkedIn. The LinkedIn actually you should fill your skills. Skills is very important in LinkedIn. You should finish your skilled and next one, you should upload your where are you working and what kind of job nature you are doing, and do you have any other extra things you have. You can upload your videos, and already you finished any certificate. Do you have any certifications? If you already have any certifications, you can upload your certificate in LinkedIn. In future, any college webinars, or if you want really, if you are skillless, if you want any speak like that, if you want to give any speak to any other colleges, this LinkedIn platform, they will come to you, they will ask you, they will see the your skills, and they will refer to someone else. If you want really searching the exam, indeed they will see your resume, and they will give the they will take the interview, and you should pass the interview like that. But LinkedIn platform, really you have the skills, you can prove your skills in LinkedIn in interview. Some people they are already who they are, some people that high profile, they'll referred your profile. They don't don't spend time to you directly. They are take your resume, so you'll get the job easily. So one thing, you will connect us. So official life peoples, you are getting connecting with the unofficial life peoples. And second thing, as a students and future, if you want to get in nice jobs, use that platform. This platform easily they will find out your resume. Is compared to Indeed, compared to Naukri.com, LinkedIn is a very good platform for career growth. It is very important thing. So if you don't have LinkedIn platform, please kindly use it, guys. Okay, fine. Next we are going to talk about, so LinkedIn, I sent a website link to you, I think so. LinkedIn already sent the website link to you guys. Next we are going to talk about the Facebook business plan. Facebook business, most of you know Facebook, but Facebook business, apart from that, Facebook business is there. Just you are giving around 10 to 15 minutes any interest topic do you want to share with someone else. But in Nagarkoil area, only Nagarkoil area people, they want to watch big thing in Facebook. Nagarkoil area, around 40 to 45 kilometers this area, someone they want to they will see my videos. If you want to think like that, in Facebook business page, you will select your customers. If you want, now you are English literature, you want around Kanyakumari district, I want some English literature I want to give to over the Facebook platform. So I need only BA English literature students in this area. If you think like that, in Facebook business page, you can get the target audience customers. So target audience students you will get in that platform. So Facebook business is very easy. So Facebook nothing, just go to your settings. you can use to your Facebook business only. Already have the Facebook, I know that. But once you go to Facebook settings side, once you click, Facebook business pages will come. If you go inside the section, you know that. Otherwise, if you don't know that this kind of things, this all the created videos we are going to start as a new section like that, all creatable videos. This section really, if you are in teacher, if you are in literature, that class is useful to you guys. And next thing we are talking about LandDash. This is little bit big, LandDash. Most of you guys, you don't have that, and most of the only if you have really technical idea, only you know the LandDash. LandDash, see, now you are in teacher. Now you want to create the own platform. You want your own website. You want, but if you want to design your website to somewhere else, they will ask you 1 lakh, 1.5 lakhs for your website, right? 1.5 lakhs to your website they will ask. But here you don't need to spend 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs to somewhere else. Just you can spend around 10,000 to 20,000 if you spend per year. You will get the LandDash platform. This LandDash platform, you will get the very big website platform. You can create your own videos and upload your videos. You can upload your videos. You can create your own classes. You can create your own classes. Just suppose if you go to their website, your all classes there. Your speeches will get, sometime you will get free. Sometime they will pay and they will get some classes from your website page. And all sections, you don't need to go anywhere. The LandDash platform, they will give you the free payable platform only. But LandDash, you can run quiz programs. You can run the quiz programs. You will run the exams, and you want to share something, the question answer platform, they will come, the students, they will come to your platform, they will ask you something, you will share your information. This LinkedIn website, you can share your Facebook, you can share your this LandDash website, you can share your website and LinkedIn platform also. So LandDash is a very important thing, right? I think all is going well. All things going well, I think so.
Yes, sir.
Sure. So time also is going to finish, right?
You can continue, sir. You can take your time.
Okay, fine, no problem. Thank you, guys. And this is called, I will update you and LandDash in your chat room. Just see the chat room, LandDash website link I shared you. This you can go to the this LandDash link. They will train you how to upload the LandDash. If you don't have any technical skills, no problem. You don't do that. And if you don't have, just if you are able to the seeable videos, you are able to make some pages like that. You can go to the LandDash. You can create your own website without paying anything, without paying someone else. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, you don't need to spend. Around 80 to 90% cost reduction is there. You can create your own website platform here. Okay. So next, Quora. How many of guys you know Quora? This the Google search engine. How the Google is working? Why we need Google? So if you go to social media platform, why we are going social media? We are typing who is the best doctor in Nagarkoil, who is the best English literature in Kanyakumari. This kind of things we are going to search in Google, right? So we are asking some questions to Google. So Google giving suggestion to us. But this, wait, I will show the platform name. This Quora is very important. You can raise your own question. You can answer some other questions. Right. This is a very important platform, and really, if you want to improve your skills, it is very easily. Just if you have Gmail, you can go through that. You can go through that the Gmail. You can open the Gmail site, username, password. you can call to Quora, and you can answer someone questions. And you can, if you want to write something literature based, if you want to write something, you can go that website, and you can use that website. So now I'm sharing that. Karthik Shada asking, which is the best site for starting a blogging site? See, if you want to start a blogging site, Blogspot is there. It's one of the very good platform, and you don't want to pay any hosting. Hosting is they are giving free in Blogspot. And next, if you want to start in blogging site, WordPress is there. WordPress is a very good platform in blogging site. But if you don't want to pay anything, just want to use the free site, Blogspot is very good one. I will share the link, blogspot.com and WordPress.org. .org is there, and .com is there, and .com also is there. WordPress.org and .com. .com you can use, and you can use it for blogging site. So Blogspot is first site, and if you don't, hosting is they are giving free on WordPress and Blogspot. These two things really fast, you'll get SEO, search engine optimization. So my suggestions in use the Quora. It's a very important one. This Quora platform, you can ask, you can write some most of literature based writing. You can do that, and you can answer some of those questions. And next one is TikTok and Instagram. So when I said TikTok, you guys, you will laugh. We are seeing the TikTok only dances. It's not like that. TikTok, most of the guys, TikTok, just go on the official platform TikTok. Just you can give small tips to your students, around 30 to 60 seconds videos. You can give the small tips to your students and ask them to connect to your online sections, YouTube, and ask you to connect them your blogs, and ask them to connect to your WordPress. This kind of things you can do that. And TikTok videos you can use 30 to 61. Lot of platform is there, guys. But Vimeo, LinkedIn, Facebook Business, LearnDash, Quora, TikTok, Instagram is there. Instagram and Facebook is same platform. These things you need to use. You don't use as a personal. You should use as your official. You can use it very clear. You can get. And guys, next is sell courses and buy courses. Is very important, guys. You can sell your courses. You told, sir, I'm a teacher. I am a student. I want to create some courses. I want to sell. How to earn money? And now I am running some management. Our management, we want to sell some courses to online. How we can do that? You can do that. It's a very important platform, Udemy.com. So Udemy is a very big website. It's a pre-on post videos. When you go to Udemy, you can create some screenshot videos. You can, now I am explaining to you the screenshot videos. You can explain. Otherwise, you don't need to show your face also. You can explain on screen your laptops. You can send to Udemy.com and pre and post videos. The Udemy is there. Udemy is the very best website. You can share them. A lot of lecturers is there. A lot of contents you will get, and you will get a lot of the very best communication. This thing is there, so I will send to you. Just go and click now. You can click a link. I can know that now. If you click the link, you can go. Just sometime you left from the video, so you can just cut and paste, and after the section you can go on through that and visit. And all thing links I will send to WhatsApp also. No problem, guys. Don't get intense. Okay. Okay, fine. Next things, and Teachable. Udemy is the same platform. Teachable also platform. Teachable platform. So Udemy, you don't fix your cost. You are teaching something. You are asking to Udemy, sir, my course rate is 5,000. You can't able to ask in Udemy. Udemy, they will fix on rate. If you are giving extraordinary talent also, Udemy, they will fix around 500 rupees or 600 rupees for your course. Teachable is not like that. Teachable, you can go fix your own price. Someone they are giving 500 rupees, you can fee for 5,000. So Teachable website, you can fix your own price. Udemy is not like, but Udemy website, really you can excellent skill, you can excellent talent to teaching. Really, you will get the abroad students per month. You can make around 1 to 2 lakhs rupees. You can make per month. or you can get the likes of dollars you can get from use in Udemy. Udemy is a very good platform, and Skillshare is there. Skillshare, it is like LinkedIn. By promoting your course, getting new signups and reviews, you can boost your course and get trending on Skillshare. Skillshare, share your skills. Someone they'll share your skill, you can share your skills. This is very an our canvas. But main thing is Udemy, Udemy and Teachable. You can go through the Udemy and Teachable and Skillshare. This three-thing platform is there, sell and buy your courses, guys. And all of you have doubts, sir, how to explain the Google Meet? We are going to explain the things sometime after the Google Meet start, how to record them. This is not, it's not good professional, like Google Meet not get professional. But if you want to get some professional videos, how to make it? If you think like that, it is very easy. You will get two software like Camtasia and PowerSoft. Camtasia is free, you can download and you can go to Camtasia. And you're not able to pay from anywhere else, but you'll get, suppose you go to any installation center, they will install to you Camtasia, and PowerSoft also is there. You can download Camtasia and PowerSoft. You can just click one red button is there, just click it and your video is recordable. And Filmora.com is there, free audio video editing website. You can edit your videos, you can do that very easily. And this all section now, this is called the awareness program. I think I told you this kind of things is there, and we want to start some courses like that for only for the e-learning platform. So how the teachers, you need to work for this all kind of platforms. This whole explanation videos, we are going to start one small courses. So future I will connect with you guys. And this line, online tools. So Camtasia and PowerSoft. This is a website, recordable screen record links. And next one is online tools, what you're getting. So now I am explaining the things to you. Now I am explaining the things to you. But do you want, you are a board writer. Some teachers only, they will not only they write the board. They will write the board only, they will teach. They will, so this is the habit. Suppose if you want any free board, you want your free board, you will get free board. Whiteboard is there. Whiteboard, I will share the link now. This whiteboard section, you don't need to pay, just you don't need to sign in also. In whiteboard section, you can create Google Meet. We are sending some link, right? So same thing in whiteboard. In same section in whiteboard, just you can take some link and send to your students. In that whiteboard, you can explain all things. You can write, you'll get pencil, and you get all things from easily from that platform. This, if you want to create new classes, join classes, if you want to create any new classes, just create new links and write the class name, digital class, and write the class name and create the new class. Just that, like that. Create the new class means you will create the link. They will create one link. So this is a link. This is a link. Just you can cut and paste the link, send to your students. Once it's sent to your students, the my whiteboard is there. Just click the whiteboard. See, you will get the very nice whiteboard. This all thing online, that guys, they will see that. They will see your writing. What is this thing you're writing? This pencil is there. You can write it. Test is there. You can write the test. You can write anything. So you can draw. This is whiteboard. You can do that. Okay. So you're seeing, guys. You're seeing. Yeah, right. Good. I said whiteboard is very thing, and you can use it. If you want to take any online classes, whiteboard is very useful to you. If you are a board writer, and my suggestion is try to learn. It's not a very big deal. Try to record a videos. Nice speech, can record the videos, send to them. 5 to 6 hours videos you can send to them. That is useful to them. Okay. And Google Forms. Google Forms is a website. Already I have told you one website. You can create your own exams paper, question paper you can create from online easily. Don't spend anything. Just create the question paper, send the link to your students. Now I am going to start about the Google Forms. I will send the link to you now. I'm sending now in the inbox Google form links I sent to you guys. That's a very important link. You can watch it again, and I will show you the website. This website, you can create your own classes, Google form classes. You can create your own. This is a Google form course classes. You can create the sheets, documents, slides, forms, and you can create one, choose the best answer. You can take the survey from your students, all things very easily from Google Forms. You can use it if you're management, if you want to use, if you're technical guys, you can spend the time to Google Forms. You can send the only one link, you can send to all students. The questions come again. The rotation questions will come. Okay, you can use it, the Google Forms. Next. Guys, shown, don't give the presentation. So if you give the presentation now, this and next one is we're going to cover Canva. Canva is a brilliant free graphic design tool. CANVA, you can do, and WeTransfer. We can transfer the large number of files. This all thing is there. The brilliant graphic design tools, if you want, you can use in Canva, and if you want to transfer large number of files, you can use in WeTransfer. This is a Google Classroom and Pinterest. We know that Google Classroom, you know that, right? Google Classroom, if you want to share some slides or things, you want a Google Classroom schedule, and you can select your students. Now, what's a Google Meet? If you have the idea about the Google Meet, and you have idea about the Google Classroom also. And Pinterest, pin plus interest means you can show the Blackboard. If you want to pin some important notes, we can in the classroom, in the Blackboard or whiteboard, we can pin some interesting point, right? That is called the Pinterest. Pinterest is only what behind of the nice images. If you want to create some nice images regarding your English literature, images, I'm not talking about a text, I'm talking about the images. You can create some images over there, you can send. Wait. If you go to search engine optimization, if you go to anywhere, Pinterest is there. It's a very search engine optimization platform. It's like Flickr. Flickr, all of you guys know that. Nowadays, Flickr is not using. Flickr, most people, they are using in Pinterest only. Okay, fine. Please wait till now. Now I'm going to finish our class. So this is the final section. This is a Pinterest. Okay, this is a platform. Okay, this is a platform for Pinterest. Okay, so you can using the presenting skill. If you want to create some images, you can do that. And this platform, see this guy, you can go to all of website I send link to you guys. Once you go through the website links, you know that. And once it's not a very big difficult things, it's technically it's very easy. Really, if you have interest in e-learning platform, you can learn very easily. So just push yourself in e-learning platform. We need that in our country and our now our society. We really they need the e-learning platform. So if you are really skilled in traditional platform teachers, you should involve yourself. You should push yourself to e-learning platform. And the students, please interact with now. That's a student. Now you are in student, just interact with you in e-learning platform. Now you can improve your skills. Nowadays, once you finish a second or third year also, if you want to create some videos and classes, do that, improve your skills. And last section we are going to talk about the thing how to plan your audio, how to plan your classes in platform. Just start yourself in e-learning, create the course plan. How to create the course plan. Suppose I am a digital marketing manager. Once I go to any colleges in BSc computer science, I will go and sell the digital marketing managers. I want to create some awareness about the digital marketing. The BSc computer science students, they are not interested because they are computer science students. But when I go to MBA or BBA, they will get response. They are marketing students. So digital marketing is working for the MBA or BBA platform. So if you want to create your own educate literature, suppose if you are in literature and you want to make some the how translator classes, how to translate the languages, that kind of classes if you want to make, or if you want to make some journalism kind of classes, if you want to make some literature kind of classes, you can sell your courses to anyone. If you want the English spoken English classes, you can create the big social media platform is there. If you go to any college and school, social media platform also, you will get a lot of students and you can improve your skills. Okay, so plan your course and plan how to make the what kind of course you are going to plan, and where is your target oriented students issued that, and gather your equipments. What are the equipments? Already we talked about that, and how to edit the audio, how to make the content, how to upload the screen record. This all of things equipments. You can make your own equipment and set aside time to creation editing. And creating editing is very small things. Just you can go to Filmora, is there, website is there, go to the free editing platform is there in Google editing platform. Just can edit your own videos and get started. You don't need to go to anywhere. Just don't ask any third party support for your video editing. You should do all self your own, and it definitely the e-learning platform is useful to you. I think so. Any of your questions you can ask now. I'm going to finish a session. Anything is extra is there, ma'am? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Anything extra, ma'am? We going to.
Okay, now participants, you can shoot your questions in the chat box if you have any doubts.
And I think so. Really, this section is useful to you, and this in the future. Now, something I think I am traditional classes, e-learning platform. You don't think like that. E-learning is very important you in future, and now the section is going to close. No problem. In future, if you want after my section, if you want to close it, if you want any extra doubts, you can ask. You can ask me. My phone number is there, and you can go to the chat room section and you can ask them, and. See, just we can't be able to tell like that.
So I guess no doubts they have. So thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. So no doubts is there, right? So main thing, the right thing section, you need to use first the beginner, you need to use YouTube. The beginners, you need to use Facebook business. The beginners, you need to use LinkedIn. And beginners, you need to use bloggers. Beginners, you need to use Quora. Already I sent the links to you. You should use it, right? Nothing extra is there. Thanks for your valuable support. Thanks for your time, valuable time. Thanks for patience. Really, I think most of our section around 75%. Most of our section around 100, more than 100 people is there for there in our meeting. Is very happy to seeing that, guys. Thank you, ma'am. Anything extra is there, ma'am? No, e-learning platform, it is possible in mobile. Yes, it's possible. When you are a learner, it is possible in e-learning platform in mobile. But when you are a lecturer, that's not good. You need to use your own laptop. This is the best. Flexible. You are a learner, you can use it. From a mobile also you can use it. But as a lecturer, you should use your laptops only. You can create the beautiful sections. Yeah, already sent in my WhatsApp the chat room. I sent some important sites. I'll send to you. And I will do one thing. Just after finish my section, I will send the links to yeah, the Godwin, Messi sir, and they will share to you. Yeah, free sites you can send. Already told you free sites if you want to the freely if you want to use it. The YouTube is a best choice in free sites and basing. But if you want some little bit professional, LearnDash is there. LearnDash's site is free, but if you want to use the tools, you need to pay. But the free sites, if you want publishing the free sites, the Blogspot and WordPress, it is a very best sites. You can promote your skills. What with them? Blogspot, Blogger, you know that blog, right? Blogs, the hosting is free. Just you need to buy the domain, 500 rupees domain you need to buy, and the hosting is free. You can use the blogspot.com and WordPress.com, YouTube, that also. Anything extra, guys? Okay, shall we finish the section?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now I request
Good afternoon, everyone. I feel privileged to extend my note of gratitude to all the good hearts who have joined us in this webinar and made it a success. First and foremost, I thank our Lord Almighty who has been gracious enough to keep us all safe and secure and has also made this webinar a fruitful one. Next, I thank our secretary, Father Mr. Ekamins Michael, who is the backbone of our college and has always be supporting us. Thank you, Father, for your support. Next, I thank our beloved principal, Dr. Meenakshi Sundararajan, who has always keep supporting us in all our endeavors, even in his absence. Thank you, sir. Next, I thank our resource person, Mr. Raghav Narayanan, e-learning trainer. Sir, we had a wonderful session with more ideas on e-learning, its features, advantages, and so on. Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable information. Next, I thank our head of the department, Dr. Shushma Jennifer, for her constant support and valuable guidance in all our endeavor. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I thank our coordinator, Mr. Godwin Missy, who has taken efforts to bring such an eminent resource person and who has made us use this day in a fruitful way. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank our technical expert, Mr. Thomas Robinson, for his support throughout this webinar. Finally, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to all the faculty members of English department and all the participants of this webinar who has made this a successful one. Thank you one and all for a valuable participation.